The Altona Treatment Plant is a wastewater treatment facility that looks after 25,000 households, which is equivalent to 50,000 persons. The Altona Treatment Plant receives 15 million litres of waste per day, which is roughly 7 Olympic-sized swimming pools, which is quite a bit of waste. The most problematic issues we have at the treatment plant is the things we receive, so the products people flush down the toilets. Some of the most problematic products include wet wipes, even though on the packaging you might claim they're flushable, earbuds, cotton buds, and hygiene products. And they cause ragging on our screens, and that's additional problem for our operations teams to deal with, having to manually derag, and it also adds to our sludge disposal and handling management and costs. To manually derag those items on the screen is a very unpleasant task. As you can imagine, it's very smelly, it's very sticky, and yeah, you don't want to be doing that very often. As a plea to the public, be very careful about the things you put down the toilet, especially those mentioned products.